Hello everyone, Code and Tech here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve the best possible FPS in Fortnite by optimizing your Windows and in-game settings. These simple steps will help boost your performance and make your gaming experience smoother. First up, you're going to use the Titus Windows utility to clean up and optimize your system. First, open PowerShell as administrator. Press Windows and X key and select PowerShell admin. If you can't find it, just search for PowerShell in the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now copy the command from the comment section or from Titus' GitHub page. Paste it into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Once the utility opens, go to the Tweaks section. From here, we want to apply the following: delete temporary files, disable Telemetry, consumer features and activity history, disable game DVR, Hibernation, location tracking, and Wi-Fi sense. Hibernation is optional, you can skip it if you prefer. Set service to manual, and under advanced tweaks, make sure to disable background apps, Microsoft Copilot, Intel MM, and notifications. If you're not using OneDrive, remove it. Don't forget to click on Add and activate the Ultimate Performance profile. When everything's set, click Run Tweaks and wait for it to finish. You'll see the progress in the PowerShell window. Once done, you'll get a confirmation message. After that, run O&O ShutUp10. Once the window opens, click on Actions and select Apply Recommended Settings. Now close everything. Next, we're going to use WinAero Tweaker to fine-tune your Windows settings even further. I'll leave the download link in the description. First, go to the website and download the program. Once downloaded, right-click on the file and choose Extract. If you don't have a program to unzip, you can use 7-zip or WinRAR. After extracting, open the folder and run WinAero Tweaker setup. Follow the installation steps. Choose Portable Mode, agree to the terms and click Next. Select Downloads folder as your extraction folder, then hit Finish. Now open WinAero Tweaker and scroll down to Behavior. Apply the following: disable ads, disable app lookup in the store, disable automatic maintenance. Next, under error reporting, disable it, and then scroll further down to Microsoft Edge. Disable annoyances, bloat, and updates for Edge. Under Windows apps, turn off auto-update store apps, Cortana, and Windows Ink Workspace if you don't use it. Finally, go to Privacy and disable Telemetry. Then you restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, head over to WPD App and download it. When it finishes downloading, extract the files and run WPD App. Inside the app, click on Disable Telemetry and block telemetry IPs. Then hit the Blocker tab. For Windows Update, I recommend enabling it once a month to make sure your system stays up to date. After that, you can disable it again to avoid interruptions while gaming. In the app section, delete any apps that you don't use. You'll see I've deleted quite a few, but be careful to leave the ones you need, like system apps. After this, restart your system to apply the changes. Finally, we'll jump into the game settings. For Fortnite, make sure to adjust the following settings: lower your resolution as low as possible, disable VSync, set rendering mode to performance of DirectX 12, set 3D resolution at 70%, and set textures and meshes to low. Lowering the 3D resolution will significantly improve FPS. If you can't go too low, try finding a balance between visuals and performance. And that's it. With these steps, you should see a significant FPS boost in Fortnite and other games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.